Science talks are a big part of the inquiry science process.
I asked Christopher and Marquand, how can we make shadows move?
Science talks are the opportunity for teachers to reflect with students on the science lessons and the explorations that students are doing in the classroom. Science talks can be a talk during circle time with your entire class using images or a book to tie in what they're learning about science in the classroom.
So when Bear went like this, Shadow went like that too.
It could also be small one-on-one or in small groups at a table.
Young children learn in so many different ways, but they really need to have a lot of active engagement with their environment. They need to play, they're going to think together, they're going to collaborate with each other, voice their ideas. Teachers can really help to guide that.
With Moonbear Shadow, the activity is first to really have students talk about what a shadow is and how our shadow follows us with the movement of the sun, which then can lead to activities outside where we make our own sundial, shadow tag where they're identifying shadows of different objects, matching shadows to different objects, and understanding how the sun moves and how the sun and light affect a student's shadow.
Students may be looking at objects that sink and float, and a teacher may work with 1, 2, maybe even up to 4 students around a table to talk a little bit about objects that sink and float.
What else do we see here? What's making this shadow?
I use technology throughout the inquiry process. I use it to introduce the topic as well as to review what we've been going over and use it for small science talks. If students have discovered something during their open exploration, I try to find something I can put on the smartboard that they can interact with to explore that concept more.
In science in pre-K, our philosophy is that science for young children should be age appropriate. It should be focused on the way young children learn. And young children learn through their lived experiences. It gives young children a chance to explore the world around them, to really think about their observations and what they're looking at, and to document those observations, and to communicate those observations, and to value the things that the students are saying. So science is really happening in their everyday lives.